Hi guys, how can you make this magical glowing line around your subject in Photoshop? First of all, select the pen tool and make a clean path around the area where you want the glowing line. After that, switch to the brush tool, set the size to around 10px, hardness to 100%, and select the hard round brush. Now open the brush settings and set control pen pressure. Press OK. Go back to the pen tool. Right-click and choose stroke path, making sure brush is selected and simulate pressure is on. Delete the path. Now add a new layer. Open blending options. And select outer glow. Choose any color you like: pink, red, yellow, green or blue. I'm selecting the blue one. Press OK. Next, add another new layer and set the blending mode to overlay. Open the color picker. Select the glowing color you want, in this case blue, and press OK. Now pick the brush tool again. Change the size to around 53px. Hardness 0%. And choose the soft round brush. Paint softly around the glowing line to enhance the magical effect. Finally, reduce the opacity to around 53%. And that's it, your magical glowing line effect is ready.